How to track gym goals in Notion. Want to stay consistent at the gym? Let's build a Notion system to track your fitness goals. So start with creating a fitness dashboard. So name this as fitness dashboard. Now, under the content section, start by adding quick links to your workout log, goal tracker, and progress metrics. Use icons for motivation. So first you need to create a workout log. So to make that, go ahead and create a table view. So simply enter slash table view and then name this new database as workout log. What are the things you'll need for the workout log? First is the exercises, sats, reps, and weights. Switch to calendar view for scheduling or board view to group workouts by type. Now after that, you need to create a goal tracker. So simply create a table view again and then name it as goal tracker. For the goal tracker, you need to add properties for target values, current programs, and deadlines. Use formula to calculate progress percentages automatically. Now after that, you need to track your measurements. So create a measurements database for weight, body fat, and measurements. Use integrations like Notion charts or export to Google Sheets to visualize progress. Now, add a habit tracker with checkboxes for gym attendance, nutrition, and sleep. This helps you measure consistency and build streaks. And that is how to track gym goals in Notion.